A very good morning to one and all. A very happy Children's Day. Let us commence this special celebration with a prayer. Let us pray.
Dear children, have you ever wondered if your Shri Gurus could match your steps? Now put your hands together for your beloved Shri Gurus as they light up your screen with a super performance.
पलने की तूने बोली मेरे सपनों को झुलाया सारी रात भले बगिया तेरी छोड़ी भले नींदिया तेरी चोरी बस इतनी सी याद तो रखे मेरी बात
Amazing and fun, wasn't it? So are we ready for the next part of this show?
Yes, of course. For your Shri Gurus are ready to show you that learning has no age and boundaries through a short skit. Let's test their acting skills, shall we?
Mrs. Shetty is a simple woman, a caring mother and a loving wife. Her world revolves around her husband and her two lovely daughters.
She's a super mom who knows everything about her children's life, their likes, their dislikes. But one incident changed her life forever. Let us now get together to watch this play about the life and journey of Shashi.
Oh, yes. Don't worry, I'll finish that.
Dad, you're not ready yet? Ready? भूल गए आज PPM में?
No, I'm ready, see? Okay, there you go. I'm ready.
Perfect, Dad.
Yeah, just cancel all my appointments.
मम्मा मैं कर दूँगी.
Just cancel that. Just hold on. But today, how will you know? Oh my god, okay. I'll take it now. I'm sorry. Previous plan was not like that. Oh. I'm so sorry, Krisha. I can't go with you. You know, I have an urgent meeting now. And I know how you're thinking, but oh my god, what to do now? Let's do one thing. Why don't we take Mama along with you this time?
Great idea.
Yeah.
Mama, very much love it. I'm so excited. No, Papa. Everybody talks in English there.
No.
And Mama को English नहीं आती. I would be very embarrassed. No.
बट मम्मा को बोलना तो आता है, मम्मा सब संभालना.
Dad, not fair.
Good morning, Mrs. Shetty. How are you?
She's good.
So, Mrs. Shetty, tell me, how's she doing at home? She good. Mrs. Shetty, I hope Prisha is practicing math at home.
She good maths. She good.
I think she's doing really well in all the subjects. She should strive for the performer of the year.
अरे ये तो बहुत खुशी की बात है. Good news. Very good news.
Hi, Auntie. Hello, beta. Rahul hasn't come.
No, he's not well.
Oh,
Get well soon.
Thank you. By the way, she's very good in English. I won't with you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you, beta. I knew you would embarrass me. मैंने कहा था मुझे सब पता है.
अरे प्रिशा रुको तो. प्रिशा. Ouch! Sorry. My fault. I did.
No, it's okay. Are you okay?
My fault. I fell. I dropped. I don't know. मेरी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं है.
It's okay, Mrs.
Shetty.
It's okay, Mrs. Shetty. Here is my card. It will help you in future.
Thank you.
Oh, my name is Mary Eve Lowe, but you can call me Mrs. Lowe.
Thank you.
See you.
After returning home, Mrs. Shetty called Mrs. Lobo immediately and joined her English speaking classes.
Good evening, everyone. I'm glad to see new faces in the class. We all will learn to speak English together.
Mrs. Lobo, see my sentence last. Homework you gave all okay? Now I know. Like, I made rotis from flour, right?
No. It's not flour, it's flour.
Flour? Flour to Miss Lobo, no. Flour.
No, Mrs. Sharma, we call it flour, not flour.
but they sound similar. There are few words which have similar sounds but different meanings. It's okay, you can laugh. Yeah.
Mrs. Shetty was very tensed. She thought she would be the only one who would be weak in English, but she was relieved to see that days passed by and Mrs. Lobo's English class continued to learn and grow.
Very good, Mrs. Shetty. Is MR will go with the verbs plus ing. This is called as present continuous tense.
अच्छा, तो मैं इसे ऐसे भी तो याद कर लूंगी। खाऊंगी, पीऊंगी, जाऊंगी, जहाँ पर घी लगेगा।
वाओ मिसेस शेट्टी, ये तो कमाल का आइडिया है। मुझे भी समझ में आ गया। मैं लिख लेती हूँ।
Then tell me which is correct? We studying or we is studying?
अरे we is studying.
Okay, we are studying.
Meanwhile, at Mrs. Shetty's home,
अरे कब सिर्फ रखी है पी लेना और इसको फोल्ड कर देना, मैं जानता हूँ।
तुम कहाँ जा रही हो? आजकल तुम बहुत बाहर जाती रहती हो, कभी मॉल, कभी मार्केट, कभी कहीं, और एक या दो घंटे के लिए।
अरे यार, यहाँ की सब्जियाँ अच्छी होती है और बच्चों के लिए फ्रेश फ्रूट और सब्जियाँ लाना जरूरी है, इसलिए मैं सुपर मार्केट जाऊँगी। बाय, कब सिर्फ पी लेना।
लॉजिकल बात है, लॉजिकल भी है। मैं कब से पीता हूँ।
Mrs. Shetty felt bad about lying to her husband, but she convinced herself that it was for the greater good.
Meanwhile, in school.
Everybody, please pay attention. So I have to tell you two important things. First, since you all know it's Children's Day next week, so we will celebrate it in a unique style this time. And what are we going to do is, we will invite your parents. And the second surprise is that one of you will be awarded the best performer of the year. Are we excited? Papa! Do you know I will be awarded in school this time?
वाओ दीदी, हम ना वो अवार्ड शेयर करेंगे, आप वो अवार्ड हमारे रूम में रख देना।
Ha ha ha! Very funny.
It's good news.
But Papa, you have to come this time. If you don't come, I will not talk to you ever.
Don't worry. It's a big day for you. I will surely come. Don't worry at all. और फिर चाहे मुझको उसके लिए उल्टी टूना आना पड़े।
मम्मा आप भी चलोगे ना यार?
मैंने सुपर मार्केट जा रही थी, मैं आकर बात।
लगता है तुम्हारी मम्मी मुझे आज ही नहीं बना के छोड़ेगी और मैं आज ही उठ के जाऊंगा।
I've been practicing this at home.
Wow, Mrs. Shetty, you have picked up this language really well.
अरे अब तो आपको पीटीएम में भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी। आपको बिना हस्बैंड के भी कर सकते हो।
PTM is fine, but I'm worried.
अरे जो भी होगा ठीक होगा. You just be confident and be yourself.
Go for it, Mrs. Shetty. Go for it.
Hello everyone. A very happy Children's Day to all of you. Let's start our celebration.
Mom, where is Dad? He's coming, huh?
Yes, he will surely come. Let me call him.
हेलो।
कहाँ रह गए आप?
Yeah, I know. क्या करूं but अब नहीं, you see I'm stuck in traffic right now. See, listen Shashi, please, just आज के लिए तुम संभाल लो please, बस आज के लिए कैसे भी. Okay.
Performer of the Year award goes to, can you guess? Yes, it's Prisha Shetty of grade 12. Now I request Mrs. Shetty to share a few words with us.
Oh, Mrs. Shetty, go. Now it's your turn.
Namaste Sabiko. Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm here not as my daughter's mother, but I'm here as women she will always look up to. I want to tell her that learning has no age in her. I stand here for all of you today as women who started to learn English a month before. I started it for my daughter to make her happy. So I want to take this opportunity to tell her that mothers can do anything for their children. And I want to thank you, Prisha. Thank you. You made me proud. You gave me motivation to learn. You make me realize that learning has no age. I'm proud of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak and to share my feelings. Thank you, sir.
I'm so sorry, Mama. I never treated you nicely. But I really want to tell you, you were great. And I'm so proud of you. So proud of you.
अब नहीं करेगी, मैंने कहा था मम्मा सब संभाल लेगी.
That was wonderful. Let us learn from this beautiful story that learning has no age, no boundaries, no limitations. Happy Children's Day, everyone. Have a great one.
That was both meaningful and touching. And now, to lighten up your mood, your Shri Gurus are all set to present yet another foot tapping performance.
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
Thank you. That was special indeed. Now please welcome your Shri Gurus as they raise their voices for a better tomorrow, just for you.
For a better tomorrow, would you reach out your hand? Would you stretch out your arms as far as you can? If we all reach together, joining hands we can say that a better tomorrow depends on today.
Brilliant. Let us now welcome our respected Vice Principal Ma'am to share a few words with us.
A very happy Children's Day to all my lovely students. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you very soon. Lots and lots of love and good wishes to all of you. Now, on this occasion of Children's Day, I would like to share a short story with all of you. I think all of us love stories at every age, but Children's Day is the perfect time to share a beautiful story of kindness. And you know what it is titled as? The Seed That Never Grew. There was a successful businessman and he was getting old. He was retiring. He was looking for a successor to take over his business. But instead of choosing one of his children or his directors, he decided to do something very different. He called all the young executives in his company together and he said, "It's time for me to step down and choose the next CEO. I have decided to choose one of you." The young executives were really shocked and the boss continued, "I'm going to give each one of you a seed today. One very special seed. And I want you to plant the seed, water it, and come back here 1 year from today with what you have grown from the seed I have given you. I will then judge the plants that you bring, and the one that I choose will be the next CEO." There was one young executive named Jim who was also there like others, and he received a seed. He went back home excitedly, planted his seed, shared the story with his wife, and started watering it every day. He took good care of it. But unfortunately, his seed did not grow into a plant. He kept waiting, he kept checking, but nothing grew. While in office, all the other colleagues of his were discussing and talking about the lovely seeds, the beautiful plants that they were growing into, they were flowering. 6 months went by, but still nothing happened in Jim's spot. He just knew that he had killed his seed. Everyone else had trees and tall plants, but he had nothing. Jim didn't say anything to any of his colleagues in office. However, he kept watering and fertilizing the soil, waiting for the seed to grow. A year finally went by, and all the young executives of the company brought their plants to the CEO for inspection. Jim also took his empty pot. He was very embarrassed and he did not know how to handle the situation. He felt sick, but he did not make up anything. He knew it was going to be the most embarrassing moment of his life, but he knew what was right to do. He took his empty pot to the boardroom. When Jim arrived, people were amazed to see his empty pot, and he was surprised to see at the variety of plants that the other executives had grown. They were beautiful in all shapes and sizes. Some of his colleagues laughed at him, while the others felt a little sorry for him. When the CEO arrived, he surveyed the entire room and greeted his young executives. He said, My, what great plants and trees and flowers you all have grown." And suddenly he spotted Jim at the back of the room in an empty corner, and he ordered his director to bring Jim to the forefront. Now Jim was very scared. He knew he was a failure. He knew he would be fired by the CEO. So when Jim got to the front, Jim told the CEO his entire story. CEO asked everyone to sit down except Jim, and then he announced to all the young executives, "Behold your next CEO. His name is Jim." Jim couldn't believe it. He could have never even grown his seed. How could he be the new CEO? The others all questioned. And then the CEO said, "1 year ago today, I gave you all dead seeds. You all brought it back to me by replacing or substituting another seed with it. Jim was the only person who had the courage and the honesty to bring me a pot with my seed in it. Therefore, he will be the new CEO." So children, if you plant honesty, you reap trust. If you plant goodness, you reap friends. And if you plant humility, you reap greatness. If you plant perseverance, you reap contentment. And if you plant hard work, you will reap success. So children, be careful of what you plant now. It will determine what you will reap later. So once again, with this beautiful message, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. we will surely try to live up to your kind words. We now welcome our beloved Principal Ma'am to enlighten us with her wise words.
Good morning, children. First of all, let me wish all of you a very, very happy Children's Day. I wish that you were all sitting in front of me and listening to me and enjoying this day together. Unfortunately, because the pandemic still continues, we have to wish you online. But nevertheless, have a great, great Children's Day. Children, some of your teachers have entertained you either by singing or by acting or dancing. But you know, the one thing that I like to do, and I think I do best, is to read out some poetry. And so, for the juniors, I have a special poem which I would like to read to you about. This poem is about a cat. But this cat is so much like some of you children are. And often when I read this poem, I think how like us human children are these animals. So I want you to listen to this poem as I read out, especially to my lovely children from the junior and the middle school. The poem is called The Rum Tum Tugger by T.S. Eliot. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat. If you offer him pheasant, he would rather have grouse. If you put him in a house, he would much prefer a flat. If you put him in a flat, then he'd rather have a house. If you set him on a mouse, he only wants a rat. If you set him on a rat, then he would rather chase a mouse. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, and there isn't any call for me to shout it, for he will do as he do, and there's no doing anything about it. The Rum Tum Tugger is a terrible bore. When you let him in, then he wants to be out. He's always on the wrong side of every door. And as soon as he's at home, then he'd like to get about. He likes to lie in the bureau drawer, but he makes such a fuss if he can't get out. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat. And it isn't any use for you to doubt it, for he will do as he do, and there's no doing anything about it. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious beast. His disobliging ways are a matter of habit. If you offer him fish, then he'll always want a feast. When there isn't any fish, then he won't eat rabbit. If you offer him cream, then he sniffs and he sneers, for he only likes what he finds for himself. So, you'll catch him in it right up to the ears if you put it away on the larder shelf. The Rum Tum Tugger is artful and knowing, but he'll leap on your lap in the middle of your sewing, for there is nothing he enjoys like a horrible muddle. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, and there isn't any need for me to spout it, for he will do as he do, and there's no doing anything about it. So children, you saw how, like children, cats are so difficult to please and so easy sometimes to please. Remain like that, children. Keep that innocence about you. And keep that childlike quality that all of you have as you grow up also. Keep that childlike quality within you. Let the child in you be alive so that you can enjoy all the small, beautiful things in life. And just because I read out to the junior children does not mean that I'm not wishing the older children a happy Children's Day, a very happy Children's Day to all the children and even to my staff who are children of their parents. So a very happy Children's Day to every child in Gyan Shri School. little ones, not so little ones, and the older ones. And for the older ones, also I have something to think about. We've gone through a terrible time and we are still going through difficult times. We need a lot of resilience. We need a lot of strength to come out of this. It is something that is in the human heart that will really help us come out of this pandemic time and be ourselves once again. And what we have lies only within us, nowhere else but inside the human heart. And therefore, all is not lost if we understand that we can take charge of things and that we and only we can make a change and a difference to our lives. So here you go, another little poem for all of us. It is I who must begin, by Václav Havel. It is I who must begin. Once I begin, once I try here and now, right where I am, not excusing myself by saying that things would be easier elsewhere, without grand speeches and ostentatious gestures, but all the more persistently to live in harmony with the voice of being as I understand it within myself. As soon as I begin that, I suddenly discover to my surprise that I am neither the only one, nor the first, nor the most important one to have set out upon that road. Whether all is really lost or not depends entirely on whether or not I am lost. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for motivating and guiding us always. Happy Children's Day, everyone.
Let us now take position for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे